Hey, what's going on? Trevor here from BC Greenhouse Builders, and I have a story for you. Now, you see, we build greenhouses all across North America, and sometimes they are tested by extreme weather. Now, let me tell you, nothing beats the winds in Wyoming. This is a story from one of our customers in the northwest corner of Wyoming state, where weather just is an exception, it's a way of life.
We're in the northwest corner of Wyoming, kind of like Yellowstone is our backyard, the way the crow flies. We're right in the base of there's the Zorky Mountains and the Beartooth Mountains, and there's a river, Clark's Fork River, that splits those. And we're kind of like at the mouth of that, so the wind, it just tunnels down through there. It's not uncommon for us to get 60 and 70 mile an hour winds fairly frequently. And when we first decided to put a greenhouse up, people were like, "What are you doing? Like, you can't have a greenhouse here. Like, there's no way that, Clark, Wyoming and greenhouses, they don't mix." And that's where we got a hold of you guys, and you designed it for us. And so for the most part, every time their wind would blow, that would be the first place we'd be like, "Oh, is the greenhouse still standing?" And it always was. But on this storm, what happened is our shop is catty corner. So it's like where our greenhouse is, and then like in a diagonal, our house, and then our shop. Well, the shop came apart. And so that was like maybe like over a 2-hour ordeal as the roof was coming off. And then, of course, you've seen the pictures where it's collapsed. And then from there, once a hunk of that roof came off, it came and hit our house roof. It punched a hole that was probably a 2 foot by 2 foot, broke a truss with inside the roof. And then when that came up over the top, then that's what hit the greenhouse. And then that's what caused the damage that you've seen on the greenhouse. Overall, like, it would have been fine. And I mean, it's almost, I would say, equivalent to probably like a small car or something hitting the greenhouse. Because it wasn't just metal. It was actually like 2x4s that were like part of the truss, 2x6s, part of the truss system and stuff that had flipped up over. So, and then one of the spots actually had a nail driven right through the poly, which I don't think that if I were to take a hammer out there, I think it would just bounce off. So that showed you the force. The storm, I think, was like, it was probably 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours. I mean, they were strong all through the night. Considering the whole shop blew down like it did, for the greenhouse to not really be damaged except for the debris that hit it, it was pretty impressive. I don't think that we would have made another choice, really. I mean, this was the only way to go. And as you look in hindsight, it is like it was the very best for us on our choice of what. As far as quality, I don't think we have not seen anything that matches your guys' quality. The customer service is phenomenal. It's just it's a good greenhouse. We love it. Like that's all I can say. I don't want to say good. It's a great greenhouse.
Great story, right? It's because of stories like this that we design the way that we do. When customers trust us with those types of conditions, our job is simple. Build something that can stand up to the realities of where they live.